सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकि कोकिलं। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। अद्यतनी कक्षा वर्तते नवनवत्युत्तर 300तमी कक्षा, 399th क्लास टुडे, 24th February, चतुर्विंशति दिनाङ्कः फेब्रवरी मासस्य। एतावत्पर्यन्तं पूर्णतः 7 श्लोकाः अस्माभिः पठिताः। 100 श्लोकेषु 100 out of 170 श्लोकास् ऑफ संक्षेप रामायण। संक्षेप रामायणस्य 70 श्लोकाः एतावत्पर्यन्तं सम्पूर्णतया पठिताः सन्ति। अद्य 170तमः श्लोकः पठ्यते। श्रीनिवासः पठतु श्लोकम्। स च
सर्वान् समानीय वानरान् वानरर्षभः दिशः प्रस्थापयामास दिदृक्षुर्जनकात्मजाम्।
पदच्छेदः सः च सर्वान् आनीय समानीय वानरान् वानर ऋषभः वानरर्षभः दिशः प्रस्थापयामास दिदृक्षुः जनकात्मजाम् इति पदच्छेदः पदपरिचयः। सः दकारान्त पुल्लिंग च अव्ययम् सर्वान् पुल्लिंग द्वितीय सर्वनाम शब्द। समानीय वानरान् वानरर्षभः दिश समस्तं। पुनः दिशः प्रस्थापयामास दिदृक्षुः जनकात्मजाम् द्वितीय एकवचनम् इति समस्तपदम्। कीदृशसमासः अयं वयम् अनन्तरं पश्यामः। आकांक्षा एवमस्ति, प्रस्थापयामास इति क्रियापदमस्ति। प्रस्थापयामास नाम आङ्ग्लभाषायां सेण्ट्। प्रस्थापयामास प्रेषयामास इति। कः प्रस्थापयामास? हू सेण्ट् हूम्? वानरर्षभः। दट् वानर दि बेस्ट ऑफ द मंकीज वानरर्षभः वानराणां ऋषभः इति। ऋषभ शब्दः उत्तमत्वेन तत्र प्रयुज्यते। उत्तम पुरुषस्य सूचक शब्दः। वानरेषु ऋषभः एव वानराणां ऋषभः एव सुग्रीवः प्रस्थ ही सेंट द बेस्ट ऑफ द मंकीज सुग्रीव सेंट। कीदृशः वानरर्षभः? पुनः व्हाट टाइप ऑफ बेस्ट ऑफ द मंकीज?
दिदृक्षुः वानरर्षभः।
दिदृक्षुः वानरर्षभः। वांटिंग टू सी। दिदृक्षुः द्रष्टुम इच्छुः। द्रष्टुम इच्छा दिदृक्षा। श्रीनिवास द्रष्टुम इच्छा दिदृक्षा। द्रष्टुम इच्छुः इच्छन्तः दिदृक्षुः वानरर्षभः। वांटिंग टू सी। पुनः काम दिदृक्षुः वांटिंग टू सी व्हाट whom?
जनकात्मजां दिदृक्षुः।
वांटिंग टू सी द जनकात्मजा, दिस डॉटर ऑफ जनका, सीता। जनकात्मजां सीतां दिदृक्षुः। डिजायरिंग टू सी सीता। जनकात्मजां दिदृक्षुः वानरर्षभः किं कृत्वा प्रस्थापयामास? वांटिंग टू सी द सीता, what doing what did he send the armies of monkeys? Prasthapayamasa.
Samaniya prasthapayamasa.
Samaniya, having pulled up all the having gathered the monkeys, samaniya, samyak aniya, having brought them all together, samaniya prasthapayamasa, he sent them. So he gathered them and instructed them to proceed in search of Sita. Kan samaniya prasthapayam, whom did he gather and sent?
Sarvan vanaran samaniya prasthapayam.
Having gathered all the monkeys, he ordered for the, he sent them in the search of Sita. Sitayaha margane anveshane sarvan vanaran samaniya tan sarvan api prasthapayamasa. Vanaran kutra prasthapayam, where did he send the monkeys?
Vanaran dishaha prasthapayama.
He sent the monkeys to all the directions, towards all the direction. Dishaha sarvaha dishaha iti. Dishaha nama atra prathama iti na. Dvitiya dishaha dvitiya bahuvachana prayogaha. Sarvaha dishaha prati. Towards all the directions he sent. Prasthapayamasa iti akanksha. Anvayartham pati. Sacha
Sahaja Vanarashabha Janakatmajam Vidrukshuhu Sarvan Vanaran Samaniya Dishaha Prasthapayamasa.
Saha, he, and he, that is Vanararshavah, the best of the great, it is given in the book, the best of the monkeys. Janakatmajam Vidrukshuhu, wanting to see the daughter of Janaka Sita, Sarvan Vanaran Samaniya, having pulled up, brought together all the monkeys. Dishaha, sarvaha dishaha, you can say. Sarvan vanaran samaniya, sarvaha iti. Understood? Adhyahara. Sarvaha dishaha, towards all the directions. Prasthapayamasa, he sent them in all directions. Sarvasu dikshu. Sarvasu dikshu prasthapayamasa. He sent them in all the directions. Padartaha saha Vanararshavaha Kapisreshtaha Janakatmajam Janakaputrim Sutam Janakasutam Didrukshuhu Ichukaha Drashtum Ichukaha Sarvan Nikhilan Akhilan Vanaran Chakarat Rukshaniti Vyakhyataraha. By now there is an asterisk there, cha, and the note supplied here, chakarat rukshaniti vyakhyataraha. The commentators like Govindaraja and others point out by using this word cha, which means and, these ruksha, bears, not only monkeys, bears are also included. These forces of Sugriva not only consisted of monkeys but also bears. Jambavan was there, no? Bear. So this cha indicates that rukshan, chakarat rukshan iti vyakhyataraha. So na kevalam vanaran apitu rukshan api tatra prishayamasa iti. Samaniya ekatri krutya, having gathered them. Like any general, when he gives command to the army, all the army is made to stand in one place and then they are given the instructions and then dispersed. Dishaha Ashaha Chatasraha Ashaha, all the four directions. In all, so Chatasrushu Dikshu. Chatasraha here is in Dvitiya, Bahuvachana. Chatasraha Asha. Asha Shabda is also Dik Shabda like Asha. Sarvasu Dikshu iti. Prasthapayamasa Preshayamasa sent. Bhavartham padatu.
Swabhishekanantaram Kapisreshtaha Sugrivaha Pratyupakaram Pradarshayam Sitaha Putra Vartate iti Jnatukamaha Sarvabhyo Digbhyaha Kapin Akarya Ekatri Sarvaha Dishaha Pratipreshayamasa.
Swa Abhishekanantaram Swasya Sugrivasya Abhisheka Rajya Abhishekanantaram Kapisreshtaha Vanarasreshtaha Sugrivaha Pratyupakaram Pradarshayan after being sworn in as the king of the this place, after the killing of Vali Marananantaram, Sugrivaste Tatte Rajyabhisheka Anantaram, Kapishreshta Sugrivaha Yatha Purvam Tatra Pratignatam Tena, as promised by him earlier, Pratyupakaram Pradarshin, wanting to do a favor in return to Rama. Sita Kutra Vartate iti, where is Sita? Gnatu Kamaha, wanting to know as to where Sita was located, was confined. Sarvabhyaha Digbhyaha. Sarvabhyaha Digbhyaha means from all the directions. He called the monkeys. Rather, he summoned the monkeys from all the directions. Kapin Akarya, having given them a Akarana is a kind of
Gathering.
No, I'm not getting that right word. He was summoned, a kind of summoning. So all the monkeys from all the directions, Sarvabhyaha, Digbhyaha, Akaranam, a kind of summon was issued, and Ekatri Kritya, when they were gathered in one place, Sarvaha Dishaha, in all the Prati, towards all the directions, Prasthapayamasa or Preshayamasa. He sent them in all the directions in search of Sitayaha Anveshanartham Sarvan Kevalam Tatra Kapin Parantu Rukshanapi Preshayamasa iti. So Sarlartaha Bhavartaha Nidarshanam Idanim Vyakaranamshaha Sandhi Vanararshabhaha Rushabhaha. This is Sandhi, but when it comes to Samasa, it is Vanaraha Rushabhaha Iva. Oh, this way also you can take it, but Rushabha Shabda, Purusha Rushabha, Purushaha Rushabha Iva, Purusheshu Rushabha Iva also you can take. Okay, then this is Gunasandhi. Didrukshuhu Janakatmajam, very simple Visarga. Didrukshuhu Janakatmajam. Next Samasa. Vanara Rushabha, Vanaraha Rushabha Iva.
Iti Samichinam.
Iti Samichinam is enough. Karmadare Samasa it is. Paridi Sutra is quoted 2156. Atra Sutre Ganapate Rushabha iti Vartati. Rakshasaha Rushabha iva Rakshasa Rushabha iti Samasa question. There is also Samasa Rakshasa Rushabha iti. But if you take, there are two ways in understanding, I think, Srinivas. Rakshasa Rushabha means a demon who is very, very big, like a bull. Sometimes this Rushabha bull is a symbol of power only. When he is called Vanararshabha, Vanareshu Rushabha. He was just like the Rushabha here does not physical comparison, but strength has to be taken. He was the mighty, most powerful among the monkeys. So like we have horsepower as power measure in automobiles. Horsepower is there. Na? Yeah. So this Rushabha, bull also is taken as a... Now of course bull is there in economics, this share market. Bulls and bears. Both are there, bulls and bears. Then Janakatmajam. Janakasya Atmaja Tam. Janakasya Atmaja Tam Janakatmaja. Then Krudantas are two. Samaniya. Sam A iti upasarga iti dhatuhu lyap iti pratyaya. Samaniya, having brought together. Then didrukshuhu drashtum ichuhu drush iti dhatuhu sannantaha, that is desiderative. Iccharte desiderative sannanta. U iti pratyaya, a krit termination, as in ichuhu, bhikshuhu, etc. So didrukshuhu, desiring to see. Kosha dik. So there are these three words in the sense of direction. Dik is known to many. Sarve Bharatiyaha jananti dik shabdam. Parantu kakubhaha iti api ekaha shabdaha asti. Asminneva arthe, in this very sense, kakuba. And kasta. Kasta is also there. In the sense of, and one more is there, which is not covered, is asha, which is used in the previous asha. Asha also means direction. Okay, abhyasam ashta chatvarimshah abhyasah yojanam atra melanam athava yojanam. Dishaha, now you match the following. Dishaha, oh, description is there, Srinivas. So what is dishaha? Shakaranta Strilinga Dvitiya Eka. The last one, cha. Dishaha is cha. This is Shakaranta Shabda, Strilinga Shabda. Dvitiya Vibhakti Eka Vachanam Asti. Sarvan. Sarvanama Shabda, Pumlinga Dvitiya Bhava. This is just across. Just right opposite Sarvan Kha. After cha, you get Kha for 2. 3, Saha. This is, there is a mistake here. Tad is correct, Dakaranta is correct, Sarvanama is correct, Dvitiya Bahuvachana. No, this is Prathama Ekavachana. So I repeat here, the third one, Saha, the answer is Ga, right opposite it is given, Ga, Tad Shabda, Dakaranta, Sarvanama Shabdaha, and Dvitiya Bahuvachana is given in the book, it is Prathama Ekavachana. Pra Eka, it should be. Okay, fourth. Vanararshabha. This is also given right across, opposite Akaranta Pumlingaha, Prathama Ekavachana Samasta Padam. Janakatmajam. Is also, why all are given like this, opposite only, no mixing. So Akaranta Srilinga Dvitiya Ekavachanam Samastam. Then Ante Didrukshuhu. Drush iti dhatuhu sannantaha u iti pratyayaha. So drush san u, that is the ka, top one. So we rapidly sum up again. Dishaha cha, sarvan kha, saha ga, opposite, vanarashava gha, janakatmajam nya, didrukshuhu ka. Etani evam yojanam vartate. Dvitiyamshaha sandhi vichedam karaniyam. Vanarashava, Vanara plus Rushabhaha, Vanararshabhaha. Ita purvameva agatam na, agataha sandhihi. Yeah, guna sandhi. Idanim Nararshabhaha, Rushabhaha, Nara plus Rushabhaha, Nararshabhaha. Again guna sandhi. Rajarshihi, Raja plus Rushihi, A plus Ru, Ar. A plus Ru, Ar. Rajarshihi, Punaha Gunasandhihi, Maharshihi, Maha plus Rishihi, Maharshihi Gunasandhihi, Saptarshihi, Sapta Rishihi, Saptarshihi. So yatra yatra Rishi Shabdaha Akara Purvakat Shabdat Shabdena Sanyogam Gachati Tatra Savanadya Kshamyatam Gunasandhireva Bhavati. Saptarshihi. Purusha Rishabhaha. Purusha Rishabhaha. That's it. Purusha Rishabha. Purusha Rishabha. Ete sarve epi gunasandhayaha. Trayaha tutiyamshaha yathodaharanam riktam sthanam. Okay, filling. Didrukshuhu is equal to drastum ichuhu is given. Then pata. On this analogy, what should pata become like didrukshuhu? This is Sannanta. Desiderative, just now I told you. Didrukshuhu, drastum ichuhu, patitum ichuhu. Oh, you have to write two. Pipatishuhu. Pipatishuhu. Pipatishuhu is equal to patitum ichuhu, wanting to read. Pipatishuhu. Okay, then gam. Gantum ichuhu. It is, the second part is gantum ichuhu. It becomes jigamishuhu. Jigamishuhu. We'll write this. Otherwise you cannot learn. What is there? Next, kru. Kartum ichuhu. This is simple. Kartum ichuhu. Chikirshuhu. Chikirshuhu dustaram moha udupena asmi sagaramiti kalidasasya suprasiddha sloka havarta. पुनः ज्ञातुम् इच्छुः जिज्ञासुः जिज्ञासुः जिज्ञासा इति नामवाचकं तत्र जिज्ञासा इज क्यूरियोसिटी ज्ञातुम् इच्छा जिज्ञासा ज्ञातुम् इच्छुः जिज्ञासुः अन्ते लिख लेखितुम् इच्छुः wishing to write this becomes lilikishuhu lilikishuhu this is somewhat and there are two forms I believe but we will take one lilekishuhu is sounding good to me there is also lilekishuhu lekitum ichuhu ante vayam एतद् तृतीयांशं लिखामः अनन्तरं चतुर्थांशः श्लोकम् आधृत्य उत्तरं लिखत श्लोके कर्ता कः हू इज द एजेंट इन द पोयम सुग्रीवः वेरी गुड प्रधान क्रियां प्रति कर्म किम व्हाट इज द object of the main verb was the object of the main verb that is pradhana kriya kriyam prati karma kim what is the object of that no acha you want that Pradhana karma, the karma is karta, the kriya padam is kriya prasthapayamasa, sent, isn't it?
Yes.
Then the verb, the object should be related to prasthapayamasa only.
Oh, then samaniya.
Not samaniya is levanta, that is not karma, dishaha. See, sarvan, vanaran, samaniya. Samaniya goes with vanaran, sarvan. Prasthapayamasa, sent. Sent them, understood, vanaran. Kutra? Dishaha, that is dishaha. Towards the dishaha prati prasthapayamasa. Sent towards the directions. So, dishaha. Karmanaha visheshanani kani. Now he says karma is now one karma is also, as you said, vanara. If vanara, if you take the pradhan, this karma, dishaha as karma, then there is no visheshana. Take vanara now as karma and you take you get one visheshana sarvan adjective sarvan vanaran. So karmanaha visheshanani kani means only one, not two. I don't see why visheshanam visheshanam kim karmanaha visheshanam ekam eva asti visheshanam tatra tadasti sarvaniti punaha mukhya kriya kasmin lakare vartate that you can tell. Main verb is in which lakara? Lit lakare. Prasthapayamasa lit lakare. Samaniya ityasya karma kim. Now what is the karma of the levanta samaniya? Having brought together whom? Vanaran. That's all. So we will again recall Srinivas. Sugrivaha dishaha sarvan lit lakaraha vanaran iti etani uttarani santi. पंच उत्तराणि पंचमांशः अत्र प्रदत्तान् शब्दान् प्रयुज्य कतिचन वाक्य निर्माणम् अस्ति अन्ते एतदनन्तरं तृतीयांशं वयं लिखामः यथोदाहरणं दोस् डिसरिलेटिव् नौ दिश इति शब्दः शकारात् स्त्रीलिङ्ग शब्दः अस्ति एतेन पदेन एकं वाक्यं तत्र लेखनीयं दिश दिक् दिक् दिशौ दिशः दिशं दिशौ दिशः दिशा दिग्भ्यां दिग्भिः दिशे दिग्भ्यां दिग्भ्यः एवं रूपेण दिक् शब्दस्य तत्र विभक्तयः भवन्ति। सुग्रीवः सर्वान् वानरान् कस्यां दिशि प्रेषयामास प्रस्थापयामास? दक्षिणदिशि। सुग्रीवः सर्वान् वानरान् दक्षिणदिशि प्रस्थापयामास। Lanka is supposed to be in the south only, na? That can be one sentence. Sugrivaha sarvan vanaran dakshina dishi prasthapayamasa. Or you can take another sentence. Bharatasya uttara dishi. Uttara dishi Himalaya parvatah vartate. Bharatasya uttara dishi Himalaya parvatah vartate. Like that you can make several sentences. 2. Didrukshuhu. Sri Venkatesham Didrukshavaha Bhaktaha Sarvepi Bhaktaha Sri Venkatesham Didrukshavaha Kutra Tishtanti Tatra Tirumala Nagare Panktishu Tishtanti. Venkatesham Didrukshuhu or Didrukshava. You have to derive it in plural. Didrukshuhu, Didrukshu, Didrukshavaha. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. Sri Venkatesham Didrukshavaha Bhaktaha Panktishu Tirumale Panktishu Tishtanti. Devotees wanting to see, have the darshan of Lord Venkateshwara stand in the queue in Tirumala. Atmaja, very simple. Rama Dasharathasya Atmajaha. Sita Kasya Atmaja? Janakasya Atmaja. Lavaha Ramasya Atmajaha. Like that you can make. Gha. Now verb is prastha. Oh, last one. Prastha plus nich and in 4 lakaras. Lati, present tense, liti, perfect tense, lati, future tense, langi, past tense. Prastha. Can you do lat? Vartamana kala prasthapayati. It becomes prasthapayati, sends. Preshayati iti. Prasthapayati nama Sugrivaha Sarvan Vanaran, contextual sentence. Sitanveshanartham preshayati. Sugrivaha Sarvan Vanaran Samaniya Sitanveshanartham preshayati. Iti ekam lati vakyam. Liti vakyam tatra pustake sloke asti. Prasthapayamasa dishaha sarvan vanaran samaniya prasthapayamasa iti. Punaha Lruti prasthapayishyati. Vakyam will make send. Will send. Aham mama putram shvaha Dilli nagaram prasthapayishyami. I will send. Aham mama putram shvaha Dilli nagaram prasthapayishyami. I will send my son tomorrow to Delhi. Prasthapayishyami. That you regular future tense like it. Prasthapayishyati, prasthapayishyataha, prasthapayishyanti, prasthapayishyasi, like bhavishyasi, everything is simple. In Uttama Purusha, prasthapayishyami, prasthapayishyavaha, prasthapayishyamaha, it goes like that. It is not difficult. Only you have to get the third person one verb readily to your memory. Then what is langi? Now lang is somewhat difficult only because pra upasarga is there, stha dhatu is there. So this adagama comes after pra upasarga. Pra plus a. Then sandhi takes place. Pra plus a plus tha.
Ta.
So you get prasthapayat sent. Prasthapayamasa iti liti prayogaha asti shloke. Tat sthane यदि वयं लंग लकारस्य प्रयोगं कुर्मः प्रास्थापयत् सेंट. If you take out that prasthapayamasa, in that place you can use prasthapayat, then it is regular. Prasthapayat, prasthapayatam, prasthapayan, prasthapayah, prasthapayatam, prasthapayata, prasthapayam, like abhavam, abhavava, abhavama, it goes regularly. Prasthapayat.
Ramah Bharatam.
Ayodhyam prati prasthapayat. Yes, Ramah Bharatam Ayodhyam prati prasthapayat. Yes, Rama sent Bharata towards Ayodhya. That's good. So like that these sentences have to be written. We will write for our sake of students. First third amsha, 48 third. Yes, Srinivas, what is that?
Yeah, first one is already given. Kha. Patha. Patitul ichu. First we have to write this one, sir.
Hipatishuhu.
Ipatishuhu.
Hipatishuhu. Then
Patitum ichuhu.
Jigamishuhu.
Gamtum ichuhu.
Ichuhu is commonly used everywhere. Yes, I will take that. Kruha, next. Chikirshu. Oh, isn't it? Chikirshuhu.
Kartum ichuhu.
Yeah.
Jignasuhu.
Natum ichuhu. Likha, lilikishuhu. Likhitum ichuhu. Of course, I have not read. Like ichuhu is commonly used there. Any more? Over? Let them see this for a while.
Ipatishuhu, patitum ichuhu, jigamishuhu, gantum ichuhu, chikirshuhu,
Kartum ichuhu. Jignasuhu.
Jnatum ichuhu.
Lilekishuhu. Lekhitum ichuhu. Lile is also there. Lilikishuhu. Lilekishuhu अपि अस्ति परंतु अत्र वयम् एतत् स्वीकुर्मः एकमेव रूपं लिलिकिशुः लिलेकिशुः उभावपि शब्दौ समानार्थे अनन्तरं वाक्यनिर्माणं लेखनीयं पञ्चमांशः ओके दिशा इज यू रिपीट कैन यू रिपीट दैट contextual sentence fifth one
Yes,
Part 5. Part 4, nothing is there, na, to write. I will come from the top. Dish. A or anything is there?
Ka.
Ka. Bharatasya. Yes. उत्तर दिशि हिमालयः वर्तते विद्यते अस्ति. You have a very good choice of verbs you can use. What is that? This is already there in the book. Okay, Venkateshwara Swami. Huh? Sri Venkatesham Didrukshavaha. Dhru is okay, not crooked. It's some big. Oh, again it is coming. The Dhru. Oh no, can't Didrukshava. Pantishu Tishtanti. Just Tirumala Nagare, they let them add. Where else there? Tishtanti. Pankti. Panktishu. Ramah Dasharathasya like that we also said Sita Janakasya Atmaja. Next. Oh. Lati. Prasthapayati. Kim vakyam?
Niche. First niche.
First niche. All are niche. No. All are in niche only. Sorry. All the forms in present tense, past tense should be written in niche, causal sense. Prasthapayati. What you said?
Lati.
Lati. Shwaha Putram Videsham Prasthapayami. Tomorrow I am sending son abroad. Shwaha Putram Videsham Prasthapayami. This is Lati. Now you want in lit. Okay. That is you take from the same. Sugrivaha सर्वान् वानरान् सीतान्वेषणार्थं सीतायाः ओके अन्वेषणार्थं प्रस्थापयामास. This is the verb you take. Next. This is liti. Now what? Rut. What sentence we thought? Prasthapayishyami. Anything. Shvaha putram videsham prasthapayishyami. Same sentence if you take Shvaha putram videsham prasthapayishyami. Only verb changes. So I leave here. You can bring that. Shvaha putram videsham prasthapayishyami. Lit. This is lit. No, lut. Future tense. Now langa. Again same thing we take. Sugrivaha Vanaran Sarvasu Dikshu. Now comes the verb Prasthapayat. This is so we have given one model like verb. Let them develop more. Sri Venkatesham
सुग्रीवः सर्वान् वानरान् सीतायाः अन्वेषणार्थं प्रस्थापयामास इति श्वः पुत्रं विदेशं प्रस्थापयिष्यामि लृट् सुग्रीवः वानरान् सर्वासु दिक्षु
प्रास्थापयत् सेण्ट् इति लङ्. एवं प्रकारेण अस्माकम् अभ्यासः 48 अभ्यासः सुसम्पन्नः जातः. नूतन श्लोकः 270तम श्लोक पठितं श्रीनिवास.
ततो गुरुध्रस्य वचनात् सम्पातेर्हनुमान् बली शतयोजन विस्तीर्णं पुप्लुवे लवणार्णवम्.
पदच्छेदं ततः गुरुध्रस्य वचनात् सम्पातेः हनुमान् बली सम्पातेर्हनुमान् बली शतयोजन विस्तीर्णं पुप्लुवे इति लिट् प्रयोग. पुप्लुवे प्लवते इति धातोः प्लु प्लवते. लवणार्णवं लवण समुद्रं लवणार्णवं. पदपरिचयं कुर्मः. ततः गुरुध्रस्य वचनात् सम्पातेः पुल्लिङ्ग षष्ठी हनुमान
हनुमत शब्द तकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम एकवचनम
बली नकारांत पुल्लिंग बलिन शब्द नकारांत शतयोजन विस्तीर्णम पुप्लुवे इति धातुः कर्तरि लिट् समस्तपदं लवणार्णवं समस्तम् आकांक्षां पश्यामः पुप्लुवे पुप्लुवे नाम आङ्ग्लभाषायां फ्लू प्लु इति धातोः प्लवते इति लटि प्रयोगः प्लवते प्लवेते प्लवन्ते इति आत्मनेपदी धातुः अयं लेफ्ट अक्रॉस लीप लेफ्ट इति अत्र पुस्तके दत्तमस्ति परन्तु फ्लू फ्लाई फ्लू हनुमान फ्लू took a leap कः पुप्लुवे who flew हनुमान पुप्लुवे कीदृश हनुमान पुप्लुवे what type of Hanuman flew
बली हनुमान पुप्लुवे
the mighty Hanuman flew took a leap it is actually a leap flying putting the pressure on the rock and then taking a leap कुतः पुप्लुवे from where did he fly
गृध्रस्य वचनात् पुप्लुवे
due to what did he fly कुतः means on account of what so गृध्रस्य वचनात् due to the word of the vulture sampati he flew गृध्रस्य वचनात् पुप्लुवे कस्य गृध्रस्य वचनात् due to the word of which vulture did he fly due to the word of the bird called sampati sampatehe grudhrasya vachanat pupluve he flew due to the word of the vulture called sampati hanuman kam pupluve what did hanuman fly over or leap over Hanuman leapt over or flew over the salt ocean sea the salt sea Hanuman lavanarnavam arnava nama samudraha lavana samudram samudraha samudrasya tatra jalam lavanameva bhavati atah lavanarnavam lavana sagara iti lavanarnavam pupluve Hanuman flew over the salty ocean sometimes salty ocean salty sea is also called brackish sea not blackish कीदृशं लवणार्णवं पुप्लुवे what type of salt ocean did he fly over Shatayojana Vistirnam extending for 100 yojanas that is 800 miles or 900 miles he took a leap of 8 to 900 it is differently identified some books tell us yojana is equal to 8 miles some gave us already we have come across na
yes
that is 800 miles he crossed shata yojana that is shata into 800 miles lavanarnavam puplu he flew over 800 miles of the ocean salt ocean now anvayartham pasha ततः पठतु
ततः बली हनुमान संपातेः गृध्रस्य वचनात् शतयोजन विस्तीर्णं लवणार्णवं पुप्लुवे
ततः thereafter Bali Hanuman the mighty Hanuman sampateः गृध्रस्य वचनात् due to the because of the words information given by the vulture called Sampati the king of the vulture king Sampati Shatayojana Vistirnam extended up to 100 yojanas that is equivalent to the modern 800 miles Lavana Arnavam the salt ocean salty sea Pupluve he flew Hanuman flew over or took a leap up to 800 miles at the words of the vulture called Sampati Padartham Pashamha Tataha Bali Hanuman Sampatehi Namakasya Grudhrasya Vachanat Okay. Shatayojana Vistirnam.
Chatushatakroša Vistrutam.
Again, this is given with course here. Chatushyata Krosha Vistrutam. Chatushyata means 400 course extending to, equivalent to 800 miles. Okay. Lavanarnavam, Kshara Samudram, Lavana Samudram. Pupluve.
Ullangitavan.
Pupluve, if you take in Tavatu Pratyanta, Plutavan. Pupluve nama Plutavan. Plutavan, flu. Udaplavata, flu. Lang lakara. Aplavata. Plavate is lati. Plavate. Udaplavata. Okay, Ullangitavan. But Ullangitavan also sometimes in our Telugu it means something violated like. Ullangana. Ullangitavan. He flew here. So Udaplavata. Plutavan. Sanskritam Bhavartam Padatu.
Paramabalashali Hanuman
Sampati
namakasya grudhrasya tasyam vasati vaidehi dina kausheya vasini ityadi
Vachana Manusrutya
chatushatakosha parimitam kshara sagaram ullankitavan.
Utplutavan. Otherwise you can take Utplutavan. Chatushatakroša parimitam Duram Ksharasagaram Utplutavan iti Ullangitavan. Somehow that is not convenient to our Telugu mind. Utplutavan is better. Anyway, Paramabalashali Hanuman, the highly, supremely mighty Hanuman, Sampati Namakasya Grudrasya, by the words of the vulture king called Sampati, who told like this, Tasyam Vasati, Tasyam Ashoka Vanikayam. Sampati had that. So Tasyam Lankayam. Athava Tasyam Lankayam Vasati Vaidehi Sita Dina Sad Kausheya Vasini. Kausheya Vasini Nama Tatra Tasyaha Sitayaha Vasaha Dukulam iti. Silk garment. Kausheyam Nama silk. Kausheya Vasini. Dukulam Vastram. Kausheya Vasini, Dukula Vasini, Ityadi Vachanam Anusrutya. Following the information given by Sampati that there lives Sita, miserable, sad, putting on silk garments in the Lanka. Anusrutya, following that, Chatushyata Kosha Parimitam, this 400 Koshas are 800 miles. Ksharasagaram, Samudram, Ullangitavan, Utplutavan flew. So Hanuman flew after the information coming from the Sampati about Sita. Okay, Nidarshanam, Srinivas. Vyakarnam Shakka Sandhihi. Sampater Hanuman. Very simple. Lavanarnavam. Lavana plus Arnavam. Dirgha Sandhi. Tato Gurdhrasya. Tataha Visarga Sandhi. Samasa Eka Eva. Shatayojana Vistirnam.
Shatanam Yojananam Samaharaha Shatayojanam Dvigu Sandhi.
Dvigu Samasa.
Shatayojanam Vistirnaha.
Shatayojana Vistirna. Shatanam Yojananam Samahara. A group of, a collection of 100 yojanas. That is how it is Dvigu Samasa. Whenever a Sankhya Purvo Dviguhu, we say. Whenever Dvigu Samasa is to be identified, the first it will be a Sankhya Shabda. Like for example, Panchavati, Panchanam Vatanam Samaharaha. Triloki, 3 is a numeral, Sankhya Purva Shabda. Trayanam Lokanam Samaharaha Triloki. So like that, Panchagavam, Panchanam Gavam Samahara Panchagavam. So this is also like that. Lavanarnavam Asau Arnavaha. So Lavanaha cha Asau, this Arnavaha Samudraha. So therefore this is a Karmadha. Lavanas cha Asau Arnavas cha Lavana tam lavanarnavam. Then taditantau dvau shabdau Hanuman, Hanu Matup iti tatra pratyaya Matup. Hanuman, Buddhi, Buddhiman. Buddhihi asya asti iti Buddhiman. Hanu asya asti iti Hanuman. Hanu means chin. Hanuman had a different extended chin, therefore he is called Hanuman. Bali,
Bala plus
Ini. Ini is a pratyaya there. So by using that, or you can also explain Balam asya asti iti Bali, Balin. Ini pratyaya is there. So these are taditantas, derivatives, and one shabda, paryaya vachana. Arnavaha, Udadihi, Sag, Payodhi, Ratnakaraha. So these many shabdas are there for ocean. Udadihi, the reservoir of water. Sagaraha is a common word. Sindhu, Sindhu also. No, sometimes it gives that impression, but Sindhu is also for Sindhu. Payodhihi, the storehouse of water, that is Samudra. Ratnakaraha, it gets the name Ratna. Ratnanam Akaraha, it's a storehouse of gems also. Samudra is a storehouse of gems. Ratnanam Akaraha. Akaraha means Nidhihi. So people who dive into the sea for several pearls, they dive, different things they get. So therefore it is called Ratnakara also. Abhyasaha ekona chatvarimshaha samaya vastate. Kinchit kurmaha. Manjushataha, first amsham will do. Gruhitva vakyani. You can do this. There is one, Gurudrasya vachanat. Hanuman. That is already done. Second one. Dasharathasya vachanat. Vanam. Jagama. Verb. So the second sentence we make out of this box is Dasharathasya vachanat Ramaha vanam jagama. Rama left to the forest with the words of Dasharatha. Then Ramasya
vachanat Hanuman. Lavanarnam Putlu.
It could be that, or Ramasya vachanat. Rama did not order. Sugrivasya vachanat will come there. Then what comes with Ramasya vachanat? Hanuman. Dronagirim Jagama, it should be. There is a Parvata supposed to be there. Even I could not locate it. So this is one is Ramasya. Ramasya vachanat Hanuman. What is left out is Dronagirim Jagama. A mountain by name Drona. Or otherwise Pupluve is gone. Three verbs are there only.
Yeah.
Then last one. Sugrivasya vachanat Ramaha Valinam Jagana. That is fine. So in the elimination process you get only that. We'll stop here after repeating. Grudhasya vachanat Hanuman Lavanarnamam Pupluve. First one is done. Dasharathasya vachanat Ramaha Jagama. Ramasya vachanat Hanuman Dronagirim Jagama. Sugrivasya vachanat Ramaha Valinam Jagana. There is a slight, when sound is same, Jaghana and Jagama. Jaghana is killed, Jagama is went. So be careful there. Atra vayam sthapayamaha shubham bhuyat.